What's up guys, Exhaust Power. Let's run through these websites. I'm on Body Kits Online and I wanted to make a couple mentions on things you should know about body kits. And I wanted to also show what they have in their catalog. Second time shooting this video because I forgot to record the first time, the audio. So they have a few different body kits on here. There's some language in here that we have to figure out. So you have a body kit for the Cyber. So $600, you get the whole body kit. You get the front bumper, the side skirts, and you get the rear lip. Because I've only seen this kit with US cars. But this company is not based in the US if I remember correctly. And all the pictures they have is of the US rear bumper. So that's just something that you have to take in consideration. I should message the seller just to make sure that that rear lip is for the USDM rear bumper and not for any JDM bumper. Because if it is, then there would be a size difference. But all the pictures is of, you can't really go off the pictures. You would have to message them and make sure it's for the USDM bumper. I also wanted to make a notice, mention the shipping. You can find the shipping here. It says $290 shipped, which is a good price actually for a whole kit. I hope that is true. Most of my viewers are in the United States, so that's why I'm mentioning the United States. I just want to make sure it just says United States and not, okay, USA. So $290 shipped for a body kit. I believe all big parts are going to be about that, $290. You have a grill. You see how it says grill body kit? You gotta make sure you read it correctly. Look at the price. If it's $90, you know you're not getting a bumper, you're getting a smaller item. So that's for a grill. These are also grills here. I also want to make a mention, when you do get a grill, you see these headlights, they're JDM headlights. They are longer than the US headlights. I'll get into another video with headlights and grills and rear tail lights. But normally you cannot run a JDM grill with the USDM headlights from what I've read a long time ago. There's just a size difference. You see you have a headlight mask, that's for the JDM headlight. Has the 3 holes there. And see the language, it says pads. They're talking about the fog light covers, and I guess they use the word pad. They use it a lot in different areas of the vehicle. Just something for you to, you can also go to the pictures and make sure you know what you're looking at. They'll use the word pads again. They're just talking about the bumper extensions. We'll just call them lip. We'll call them lips in the US. And you have just like a half lip there. It doesn't fully encompass the front bumper. But they do call the Vogue, they do call that one a lip. Obviously you need the JDM bumpers there for those lips to work. And here, this picture right here on the right, that lip is from I think a VRG or a VRM. I think it's a factory lip as well. That lip does not fit on the US Galant. I know they're showing a picture of one on, but that picture was from a member from the Galant Center a long time ago. They cut the lip in the middle and extended it for it to fit. Don't fall for that picture there. It's not for the US at all. And I'll show you, because there you go. It's meant for the JDM bumper, the VRG, VRM. I'm not 100% sure if there's even a difference between the both. That's how it would look on the JDM bumper. Also, if you find someone selling a V or G or V or M bumper, that very shallow bumper, you're going to have to modify. You're going to have to remove your crash bar to run it, or you're going to have to make a crash bar. I don't recommend you removing your crash bar because you're taking away a lot of safety. So you'd have to make a crash bar there. If you want to take the risk and remove it, that's up to you, but I recommend not to. And also, if you have a normal JDM bumper, a facelift or pre-facelift, you're going to have to trim the edges of the crash bar. I'm not sure if I mentioned that since I'm doing this video back to back. So actually, let's see what shipping would be on a smaller item. Let's see a single front bumper. Let's see. I think it's still going to be $290. Nope, it's a little bit cheaper. So $200 just for a front bumper. You're definitely better off buying a whole kit though, in my opinion. Just buy the whole kit and get it over with. You save money on shipping. So they have a bunch of different kits on here. You got the side skirts. I showed those side skirts in the one side skirts video I made. You got the dolphin side skirts. I want to get to the fender flares really quick, and because that's something that I'm actually thinking of getting very soon. So front fender, or it's not front fenders, just fender flares in general. It gets all four wheel wells there. A guy named Jordan on Facebook he also is selling some. He's selling them on eBay, and I guess you can also PayPal him. But I believe this website is just a little bit cheaper than his price. I mean, I would still support Jordan. But $90 shipped, $240. If you want the 3M tape, is going to come up to $256. You can get different gasket colors. So white, gray. Okay. So that's something that I'm actually going to buy soon. So we're going to back out and different things here. The rear window visor. I think that's like one of the only rear window visors you're going to get that's specifically for a Galant. I have a high C on my Galant. They don't make them anymore. But I do think there is one website that was still selling 1 or 2, 3 of them. But they want a crazy amount of money for it. So, yeah, check out their website. There's a bunch of things on there. We're going to run over to Magna Tuning. And from there on, we're going to go to Rockets. Okay, we're on Magna Tuning. I just want to show you what shipping would be for an item. So 185 shipped to the US. Actually, that's not even bad. What are we looking at though? We're looking at the wheel fender flares. So we came up to about 256. Actually, the price is significantly higher, so price is higher at Magna Tuning. We'll go through their catalog real quick just to see what they have. So they got some crazy bumpers in here. Very different. But their price is up there, $751 for a bumper, and shipping is going to cost a pretty penny. That's for a whole kit, actually. Sorry, that's for a whole kit. So that whole kit is not a bad price. But the shipping is a little pricey. So check out their website. Maybe there's something in there that you like that they only have that the other websites don't. and it may make sense for you to buy it from Magna Tuning. Let's jump over to Rockets and see what they have. Okay, I'm in the checkout right now for Rockets. They only have one body kit, which is the Cyber body kit for the Galant, and they also have Z3 fenders for the Galant. So just try to give you guys an example of what it would cost to ship this to the United States. I'm in Pennsylvania, and let's see what shipping is. So everything included shipping, shipped to your door, $1,030. $250 shipping. That's actually pretty good price. I hope that's like true. That's a really good price for shipping a whole body kit. Check out their website. I think it's just rockets.net. Let's see. Yeah, rockets.net. Check them out. There's a few things that I still want to get for my Galant. I want to get the fender flares, and there may be a couple other items that I'm looking for, but like I wanted to take you guys through and try to point out some of the things that you need to do to run like a JDM bumper. I'm not 100% sure if the body kits will require like crash bar trimming or removing or modifying. I'm not 100% sure. I'll see if I can find anything on the body kits, but for the JDM, I'll see if I can find the links on the Galant Center and I'll post them in the description. So hopefully this helps somebody out. Hopefully you guys have a good day. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. We'll probably be talking about headlights. Alright, peace.